And we look forward to seeing you again around Manchester 10. Take care out there. 919, Deer Slayer on this vacation station in the Bluegrass.
No, 151. You say you're on the northwest corner, you roll way up in here, man. 151 northwest corner, train, Baton Rouge, waving. Train in the BYU. Great big mall getting on down. About 40 Slowpolk, South Carolina. We're calling out. They right on it now. Yeah, I hear you. I hear 151 in the northwest. But you sounded real good right about now. 919, you done rolled up, man. I done spun that beam up about 300 degrees. 300 degrees right there. 919 train is right back. Riders on that 919. Yeah, I brought it down a little bit. But happy Easter to you as well, man. 919, always a pleasure to talk to you, my friend. You're a worldwide train in the Bayou country. Looking your way. Come on. Okay, Mr. 414, my friend there. You have a good one again. Old Slowpolk down here in South Carolina. We go. There goes. Yeah, 10-4. It's definitely a blast, man. I've been the last 6 years. But I didn't go this year, man. My brother and his wife come over and we just hung out and had those UFC fights on TV real early that morning. We did some eggs and some steak and a bunch of other stuff, man. Had a good old family time there, Roger. I need to kick it on back. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. It's always fun hanging out with family. But, sometimes you can only take so much, man, but I got a pretty good family. I enjoy being around, you know what I'm saying? I always try, he comes up here, I always try to get him to talk on the radio. He does it every now and then. If he's drinking a daiquiri or something, he can get on here and rock it down, man. But other than that, he really don't talk on it. I have a base station set up in his house and a two driving four in his truck. But I don't know, man. I guess it just ain't his thing. You know what I'm saying? It ain't everybody's thing. Yeah, man. Right back there, man. Shotgun working for diesel wagon in the Bayou country. Shotgun, worldwide shotgun in the Bayou country. Oh, yeah, I see him every day, man. Me and him work together. But, do old house washing and painting. My other brother now, I see him at work, and that's just about all I can take of him. But, yeah, Mark, I don't know. You gotta have family, though. But you know what I'm talking about. Have a good one out there, 919. Happy Easter to you, my friend. Hope all is well and swell on that end. 919, your friend down here in the swamp. There I go. There's the old mailman.